It's that time of year again, so I thought I'd put together a list of audio tech tools that can make great gift ideas for audio techs and musicians who play electric instruments. First up is the Pyle PCT40 cable tester, a very affordable, surprisingly well-built all-metal cable continuity tester. It tests several popular cable types and can show shorts and opens to quickly identify a cable problem. Connect each end of the cable you want to test to the unit, and now switch through the pins to see if the cable is okay by watching the LEDs. It also tests adapter cables, since any connector type on one side can go to a different connector type on the other side. Probably one of the handiest test tools to have around your Workbox, briefcase, or cable case. I'll leave Amazon affiliate links for this and all of these items in the text below. Next up is one of the least expensive items on our list, an AC cable tester. A tester that can quickly plug in and let you know if an outlet or extension cable is wired properly or even working at all. It'll show you dangerous open grounds and other problems before you connect your expensive equipment and put yourself into the circuit. It can also show you whether your amp is getting power or if your amp has other problems keeping it from turning on. There are several versions of these testers available that all work the same basic way, and you can find them at almost any hardware store or department store, as well as on Amazon. That brings us to the Whirlwind Q Box. The Q Box is the most expensive item featured here. Anytime you see a large sound system, you can probably find one or more of these boxes in the workboxes and briefcases of the techs. Whereas the Pyle lets you test cables by themselves, this lets you test cables in circuit, and other things, while they're still connected to the PA. It has inputs and outputs, a tone generator, a built-in mic, and a built-in speaker. You can pop it onto a mic line and see if phantom power is getting to a mic or DI that requires it. Or you can connect an acoustic guitar that is not coming up in the house directly to the Q Box to see if the problem is the guitar or the sound system. On any line that's not getting to front of house, you can pop this on there, send a tone, or use the built-in mic and see if the Q Box signal gets to front of house. If you're not getting sound at your amp rack, you can connect the drive line directly to this, use the built-in speaker, and see if you're getting signal at the end of the drive line from the mixer and make sure the mixer is actually sending signal. I'm really just scratching the surface here. Definitely a useful tool. Next is another inexpensive item that you just can't have enough of. Micro screwdrivers. These are the kind of tools that when you do need them, you really need them. I have micro screwdrivers in the Workbox, in my Pelican case, in the toolbox, in the shop toolbox, and at home. Like the AC tester, these are inexpensive and can be found at hardware stores and anywhere that stocks a decent supply of tools. And of course, they're available on Amazon as well. I mentioned my Pelican case, and that's another item that you'll see around sound techs, touring bands, and the like. Especially the Pelican 1510. It's a lightweight and extremely durable case for your gig essentials like the items in this video. There are a variety of add-on options available for inside customization, like dividers, pick and pluck foam, and zipper pouches for the lid. It also has a pull-out handle and wheels, besides the normal briefcase handle, so it's easy to load in and load out. These are all items that can make your life easier, especially if you work around backline amps and instruments, sound systems, or the studio. Other things that come to mind are anything from a spare Shure SM57 to a digital multimeter to a Gerber or Leatherman multi-tool. What tech essentials do you like to have in your Workbox or briefcase? Let me know in the comments below. Please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.